My name is Aiden Carter. I'm a Machinist Apprentice and I've been here for just under a year and a half. My dad's into engineering. He recommended AMRC to me, so I applied for that and AESSEAL. Typical day would usually be going asking my team leader what it needs doing for today. It can vary from either running a machine, work shadowing someone, or working in one of the sections on the workshop. I enjoy that the apprenticeship isn't just sat in a classroom like it is at school, that it's hands-on actually doing work. The best thing working for AESSEAL as a company is the training. Some of the best training for engineering out there. Since starting my apprenticeship, I've received one-on-one training on the machines with people who have had more experience than me and worked here longer. I'm about halfway through my apprenticeship, and once finished I'm hoping to have learned most of the machines here and possibly start getting more qualifications. To others thinking of joining AESSEAL, I'd say go for it. It's some of the best training out there and it's really hands-on. It's a good way of learning.